Hello guys, welcome to new video and let's start the video. So our today's topic is harsh and polite speaking, the difference. Your words shows your character, believe me, it's right. As you may have heard, first impression is the last impression and your way to speak it can make a lot of difference as your words are the instruments which allows a unknown person to know about you, your morals, character and even about your life as it is a greatest part of your behavior, so it really matters a lot. Now talking about the difference, we will firstly talk about the way you talk with strangers. Generally in the most of the parts of world, it is to be noted that people do not react very generously to strangers. But remember, no one knows who will come to your help with the time, so talk in the way that they will like. Second thing is never do verbal abuse, as most of people generally using the abusing words in public generally has a huge impact to your personality as it takes no time to be your habit. Third thing is speak according to the situation, that what should you speak to whom, as you should never speak rude to anybody in gatherings as you are not noticing it but everyone is watching you. So never neglect a small thing as it can have huge impact on you, your personality and your behavior. So from here you can conclude that you can judge your behavior, it is rude or not, from day to day practices, and you should have to work on them at even the small levels so they should not become a problem for you later. So work hard, stay safe, and by this I am ending this video. Thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also don't forget to comment down your views about this video and the several improvements which you want to make us in